So we're looking here to the Bitcoin price. What's the last status? This is a dangerous game because we see here a little manipulation of the whales, and current now the status is that we have here an outbreak of the bit from the Bitcoin price, and this give us the information. Okay, we broke here a border, and now the massive movement is coming. Yeah, this is the interpretation of this spike here. But in my eyes, we have here a really bad situation because the trend line goes from here. So now we're sitting here on this line, yeah, and wait, what happens? Very simple. If the price breaks here to the downside like this, yeah, then we will see a massive movement to the downside. If the price stays higher levels like this, yeah, we're going to these levels here, 28,000, 27,000, then we will see a massive movement to the upside. So if you want this information, what will happen next, then take the special Bitcoin analyze, because there you see a direction in which the price will go, so that you have the possibilities to make gains. Yeah, this is relative difficult to analyze because again, the same information what I said 2 minutes ago. We sit here on this line. Yeah, if you are a beginner, then you would say, okay, 50% to the upside, 50% to the downside. But if you are expert, then you know, okay, this is here a movement that is happening before a big movement happens. Yeah, so this is a sign for us, okay, something big is coming. So let's look here to the general view again and again. That what we see here is a massive sideways movement. Yeah, that give us the information, okay, something big is coming to the downside or upside, yeah. And that is the, yeah, in a very dangerous situation. So it seems, okay, we have here uh, a good formation or bad formation here, but I expect here really massive movement that will come. Let's look here to the last fragment. You can see we built here this structure. In my eyes, this is a retest. You can see this was our low, and now we're trying to test the higher levels. Yeah, if we can break the higher levels, then higher prices wait for us. Yeah, and if we stuck here and make a movement only one time to the downside, then a really bad situation will occur. That means we can also lost here this support at 25,000. Yeah, and that's the danger because we dancing here on this line, and only one time we going through this line here to the downside, then a total different situation will occur that is really really bad. Yeah, so we are here in a really complicated situation, and that what we see here is not for beginner. Yeah, if you are a beginner and you see this formation, then run away because this is not this is not that is not good for people who go or come in the market very new. So if you want this information in which direction the Bitcoin price will pump or dump, please take the special Bitcoin analyze from my side. Below you see a link right there, and then you get this information from my side to make a little bit profit. Let's look to the last fragment again. If you're looking here to these formations, then we are nearly, I would say, 95% finish. Yeah. So 95% we are finished, and the last movements are, I think, movements in which the whales want that you think. Yeah, so in my eyes, that is, if we going to this 25 and make a movement to the upside, yeah, this is a movement what I not like. Yeah, so if you look to this formation, you see we test here low, test low, maybe. Yeah, so let's see. Stay on the channel, become a member of the Wolf Next Target or Wolf End Price Target, and get your video analysis every month so that you are up to date in some cryptos, maybe XRP, Solana, or Ethereum, because these cryptos will move extreme. Yeah. So upside or downside, you can see this in the membership. It's a benefit for you because um, you need the information. Yeah. So we expect a big mark movement to upside or downside, and you can see it sideways movement. Nobody gains something, but now it will change. The mark movements will come. Have a nice day.